Hey guys, welcome to the Days channel. Today we're going to be doing a brand new computer desk. We're going to be replacing this one, and I'm going to be doing a farm style computer desk. And you're probably wondering, well, why would you want to replace this? It looks practical and good and everything. Well, it shakes a little bit, and it's falling apart. So we're going to replace it with a farm style computer desk that I'm building myself, and I think it'll last maybe at least a few days longer than this one did. So let's get to it. This Craig jig is actually pretty smooth and not as hard to set up as you'd think. I'm pretty impressed with how it works. It's my first time using it, and if it's something that you'd be interested, I'll put some links down below for you to get one for yourself. But it definitely makes the job pretty easy, and it's works pretty good. I can only imagine the other ones that are a little more expensive. They're probably a little bit, they're probably even easier, but this one is actually pretty easy once you get the hang of it. two things I wish I would have done with this project. One was cut a 1/4 inch off of both sides to get rid of the roundness to make it more square. I wish I would have done that. I think I can get away with it. It'll be fine. But I think it would have been a little bit cleaner looking if I would have done that. Second thing is, I really wish I had a planer. I could have planed the rough side and still do a little bit of sanding, but now I got to do a lot of sanding. And as you guys know, sanding's not fun. But we'll get through it, and I think it's looking pretty good so far. So a lot of sanding to do. I got the top to do still, but we're getting there. And it's been kind of a fun project. I've really been enjoying it. I've been doing it every day after work, and spending a few hours on it. You know, it's taking a little bit of time, but we're getting there slowly but surely, and I think we'll get on with it. But I'm gonna put it away for tonight, so see you guys tomorrow. But it'll be just a few seconds for you. Thanks for watching. I'm currently editing this to get it out to you guys as soon as possible, and I just want to thank you for watching all the way to the end. Please consider subscribing and liking the video. I put a lot of work into this video. I appreciate you guys. I love this farmhouse table. It's sturdy. It works way better than the other one did, and I'm really happy for it. So guys, thanks for tuning in, and hope to see you guys subscribe here soon. Thanks, and have a good one. Farmhouse table was a total success, and the family really loves it. Thanks, guys.